Okay, sa video natin ngayon, so I would like to explain the adding the similar fraction using visuals or rectangle. So I'll be going to make rectangle here. So 1/5, ganyan, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll be going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Tapos shaded part is only 1. So this is the shaded part. So this is 1/5. Now added by 2/4. Yung iba ginagawa nila is they are going to get the similar the equivalent fraction, but right now for this one, so we will just do it as like this. We will not get the equivalent fraction. So again, I'll be going to make rectangle here or box. Tapos what I would be going to do is to divide it by 4. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many shaded part? So dalawa lang ang shaded part. So ito. Now we cannot add this one since they have different denominators. So we are going to get the LCD. So to get the LCD, ang gagawin natin, so look at this one, the denominator of this, ito. We are going to divide this rectangle into 4. So 4, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when we count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the denominator here is 20 na. Tapos plus ito naman, so we are going to divide this one into 5. So 5 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 na ito. So if we are going to count it, they have the same denominator na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many shaded part here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 na ang iyang shaded part. So proceed to addition. So that's basically 14 over 20. So 14 over 20, as you notice, go back to our divisibility rules. So there is a number that can divide both 14 and 20, and that is 2. So 14 divide it by 2, that is equal to 7. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So this is our final answer.